If you frequently overdraft your checking account, Self is not the service for you. If you frequently spend all of your money between paychecks, Self, my friends, is not the service for you. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the top credit builder apps and loans for 2023. If you're looking to improve your credit for a big purchase like a car or a loan, this is the video for you. Stay tuned. Again, my name is Kelvin McNeil, owner of GreenScale Credit, and this is the sequel to my previous video where we reviewed some of the best ways to build credit in 2023. In that video, I went over my top 5 revolving accounts, including credit building debit cards, secured cards, and more. If you haven't already watched it yet, you can find the link above my head or in the description below. Next, I'm going to give you my top 5 installment accounts that will help you build your credit. Now, when you're preparing to apply for financing for big purchases, again, like a car or a house, the two most important words in the English language is interest rates. Your interest rate will be the difference between you having a high monthly payment or an affordable one. So as I previously stated in the first video, I would recommend you sign up for at least one or more of these credit builder services. However, if you're someone who already has an open auto loan, mortgage loan, a student loan, or any other installment account, I would only recommend you sign up for, let's say, revolving accounts to continue building your credit, as that would be the best way to improve your scores by impacting credit mix, which is 10% of your FICO score. The very first credit building installment account on my list is called Brigit. Brigit is a credit building app and service designed for everyone. It's very great for those of you who are having trouble getting approved for credit cards, auto loans, or home loans. Brigit is backed by some awesome investors, including 2-time NBA champion and philanthropist Kevin Durant, and actor, activist, and investor Ashton Kutcher, among others. Brigit as a whole was founded on 3 key standards: fairness, transparency, and simplicity, which are the same values I keep at the forefront of my own businesses. Brigit allows you to build your credit score while you save, with no credit approval, no interest or upfront deposits, and it's only $9.99 per month. So here's how it works. First, you're going to open up a credit builder account with Brigit by connecting your bank account and answering just a few questions, which will allow you to be approved instantly for either a 12 to 24 month loan. Once approved, you'll have an FDIC insured deposit account. Next, you'll choose how much you'd like to contribute towards your monthly payment. If you choose less than, let's say, $25, the rest will be paid from your deposit account as the loan proceeds. And you can pay as little as $1 towards that credit builder loan. Now, keep in mind, each of these payments are deposited into your savings account that you cannot touch until you complete the credit builder loan program. And each of those on-time payments are going to be reported to all 3 of the major credit bureaus, which are Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Payment history itself is the biggest factor of your FICO scores. So this is how you're going to be able to build credit fast using Brigit. You can either continue to make monthly payments until you've paid your credit builder loan off to access your savings, or if for any reason you need to or decide to cancel, you can cancel at any time to access those funds. They'll become available to you at that moment. And that's it. It's pretty simple. 99% of reviewers recommended it, and you can get started in seconds by clicking the link above my head or the link down below in the description. You can also just type in tinyurl.com/Brigit credit builder. Now we're gonna roll over to the second. My second recommendation is called Kovo. Kovo allows you to build credit and earn rewards. One of the reasons why I chose Kovo is because it's a registered Delaware public benefit corporation. Now, what does that mean? A public benefit designation is only given to companies who intend to produce a public benefit and operate in a responsible and sustainable manner. You may be thinking, well, duh, but trust me, this isn't as common as you may think. Some of these credit builder fintech companies, let me just put it this way, their main objective is to take advantage of the credit challenged consumers for profit. But that isn't the case with Kovo, just keeping it real. The public benefit designation means the company is managed in such a way that balances the company's interests with the best interests of those most affected by the company's conduct and the company's mission. When you apply for Kovo, there's no credit check, you get instant approval, and there's no interest rates or fees. And you can also earn 1% on the loan. And here's how it works. So guys, first, you just simply begin building credit with installment payments, which will be $10 per month over a 24-month term. So that's going to be 2 years. And each payment will be reported to Equifax and Experian. So that's 2 of the 3 major credit bureaus. Next, you gain access to some very helpful digital courses by instructors who were designed to help you reach your credit goals. And these interactive courses include, but not limited to, job interview skills, how to start a business and form a business idea, sales training, stress management with time management for burnout and anxiety, and even path to building a top 1% influencer personal brand. Lastly, you're able to earn with rewards. The Kovo reward program allows customers to earn gift cards when opening a loan or credit offered by its featured lenders and card issuers. With Kovo, you can earn up to $1,225 in rewards, which is technically 5 times more value than the cost of Kovo itself, which is only $10 per month. Rewards are calculated as 1% of the value of a personal loan issued, which is up to $500 gift card, student loans issued up to a $250 gift card, student loan refinances issued up to a $250 gift card, auto loans refinanced issues up to about a $150 gift card, and a $75 gift card for a credit card approval. So the reward program is available to all active customers who have made 4 or more on-time payments. The Kovo app also tracks your FICO score, which is super important because those are your real scores, guys, not Vanish 3.0 that you could find on apps like Credit Karma or Credit Sesame. FICO is the same score lenders will use to either deny or approve you for credit cards and loans. So if you're interested in signing up for Kovo to start building, learning, and earning today, you can do so by using the link below to sign up today, or you can just type in tinyurl.com/KovoCredBuilder. My next recommendation is for both Americans and Europeans. Loqbox is another smart way, yet simple way, to build your credit score while saving. Loqbox is an FDIC insured financial institution primarily based out of London, England, but has recently began making a splash in the United States. And for those of you who may not know, in the UK, the overall concept of credit is pretty much the same as here in the United States, but the way your credit score is calculated is much different. For example, both the US and the UK have the same major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, right? However, unlike the way things are in the US, in the UK, each of those credit bureaus actually have an entirely different scoring model. For example, with Experian UK, credit scores range from 0 to 999. Equifax UK credit score ranges from 0 to 700, and then TransUnion in the UK actually uses a credit rating from 1 to 5, with 5 being excellent and 1 being terrible. So, you know what? Let me know, guys, if you would love for me to make a full video breaking down the differences between credit in the US and the UK. Let me know in the comments and I may make that video. Now, Loqbox is known for their reliable credit building services like Loqbox Spend, Loqbox Save, Loqbox Rent, and Loqbox Coach. Now, the concept of Loqbox is pretty simple. You build credit by making monthly payments. There's a theme here, and each payment is going to go into your Loqbox every month for a year. You get to decide how much to save each month, starting at least $20, and the full amount of that credit builder loan is actually going to be financed with a 0% APR. Now, these monthly payments are reported to the major credit bureaus. Then once you've made your final payment, you have two options. Either you can unlock your Loqbox by transferring your savings into your new Loqbox savings account for free, or you can pay $40 to withdraw your savings into your own account. And don't worry, if you ever find yourself having a hard time making payments financially, to avoid having a late payment or missed payment, you can actually just go ahead and choose to unlock your Loqbox early to access your savings before the year is up. But when you do that, just know, your loan is going to be canceled. They don't have an app yet, but you can just head over to their website at loqbox.com or click in the link in the description of this video to support this channel. My next credit building recommendation is the most affordable resource for improving your credit in multiple ways, and that is Kikoff. I'm asked about Kikoff pretty often. Someone actually dropped a comment on part 1 of this video asking if I would recommend Kikoff, and the answer is quite simply yes, most definitely. I talked about Kikoff in another video I made a while back about how to set up your teenage kiddos for a 700 score. And if you want to check out that video, you know where to find it. Kikoff is a credit building service designed to help you build credit safely and responsibly. Put emphasis on that, and I'll explain that now. Its products are designed to target the 5 major credit score factors. Now, credit does offer 3 products in total, but 2 of which are often mistaken as one product. So let me break that down for you. The first product is the Kikoff Credit Builder account, and it's only $5 a month, which has no APR, no hidden fees, and no credit check. Now, all you have to do is pretty much create an account with Kikoff, and then you're instantly approved. You'll actually be able to get started the same day. Kikoff will begin reporting a $750 line of credit. Now, the second product is the credit builder loan. Now, the way that works is once you have your Kikoff membership, you'll then have access to the Kikoff store, where you can begin purchasing a variety of ebooks on personal finance and wellness and a bunch of other topics, starting off at just $10 each. So if you're following along, this means you have the opportunity to build credit 2 ways for a very small price. So first is your $5 monthly subscription, which is the credit service for the Kikoff credit account, which will report to Equifax and Experian. Second, when or if you make a purchase in the Kikoff store, that will be considered a credit builder loan, and then those payments will be reported to TransUnion and Equifax. So although Kikoff is a credit builder account that has a $750 revolving line of credit, whenever you make that purchase in the store, those payments will be also reported as a loan payment. So you're literally building credit two ways with one company, which makes Kikoff truly one of a kind. Then, wait, there's more. The third product Kikoff offers is called the Kikoff Credit Plus Cash Card, which is a secured credit card that works like a debit card and checking account. With the low minimum deposit of $50 required, the cash account is a great way to continue building credit by adding a low-risk revolving account that reports to all three credit bureaus. Again, with no credit check, no interest rates, or no hidden fees. Also, if you choose to set up the direct deposit with your new Kikoff cash card, you'll actually get paid up to 2 days early, and they will reward you by depositing a free $200 into your account after the first 3 months. So if you use all three of the credit building options that Kikoff offers, your credit scores could benefit big time, because when you add up the 35% for the payment history, 30% for credit card utilization, and then 10% for credit mix, this means it would impact 75% of your entire score. So Kikoff to me is a no-brainer. So go ahead and visit tinyurl.com/Kikoff Credit without a C, just Kikoff, or visit the link down below in the description. And my fifth and final recommendation is the most popular, by far, highest rated credit building loan service out there. Most of you have probably heard about it, and that's Self Inc. And to be honest, it would be completely negligent of me to leave Self off of this list. And that's because Self is the most straightforward two-way credit service out there. And I'm not going to spend too much time on this, but I'm gonna get straight to the point and just give you different reasons why it's my favorite. And then also I'm going to talk about one category of people that I feel should not sign up for Self. Now, Self is a traditional CD account, which is a certificate of deposit. So that just means you can't touch the savings until you complete the loan program, and then you'll have access to your savings minus a small fee and interest. They do report to all three of the credit bureaus, and then you can cancel at any time. Now, with Self, you can choose your monthly payment and the payment terms ranging from $25 a month for 24 months up to $150 a month for 12 months. And then after you've made at least 3 consecutive payments and have at least $100 in your credit builder account, you're then eligible for the Self Visa Secure Card. Now, y'all should know me by now, those of you who are already subscribed. What's my policy? Transparency. So can I keep it real with you guys? Can I keep it real? If you frequently overdraft your checking account, Self is not the service for you. If you frequently spend all of your money between paychecks, Self, my friends, is not the service for you. I'm not picking on you, I promise. I'm just keeping it real. I'm just trying to be honest, because Self will automatically draft your payments each month. So if they come for that payment and the money isn't there for insufficient funds, they will not hesitate to report a missed payment to your credit report. And the goal here is to improve your credit, not hurt it. So you have to be honest with yourself. They do not give you an option to make manual payments, right? The reason they're doing this and the reason why they only allow you to do automated payments is because they're really just trying to make sure you don't have to worry about due dates, and you don't have to worry about keeping track of it. It's going to just automatically continue to build credit for you and save. So I just wanted to get that out of the way. I apologize if I offended you, but I'm a straight shooter. So if you're interested in signing up for Self, just download the app in the Apple Store or Android, Google Play Store, or you can visit their website at www.self.inc. Now, once you signed up with Self, you can also refer your friends and family to receive a $10 check, which is pretty cool too. And my friends, those are my top 5 dead or alive credit building installment accounts. But, you know what? Yeah, I think I'm gonna throw in 2 honorable mentions. The first is eCredible Lift. eCredible Lift is a great one. It does allow you to report your bills to TransUnion as a self-reported account. So that would be like a phone bill, cable bill, power bill. If you would like to learn more about that option, you can check out this video that I made before, right here. And if you're super short on funds right now, and you feel like you really can't afford any of this, then I would just recommend using Experience Credit Boost, which allows you to report your streaming subscriptions like Netflix and Hulu to your Experian credit report to boost your Experian credit score for free. And all right, guys, that's it for part 2 of my best ways to build credit in 2023. I highlighted my top 5 installment accounts. And if you happen to watch this video first, be sure to circle back and check out part 1 of this video, where I gave you my top 5 revolving accounts along with additional tips for credit building. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. And if you haven't already, you know what to do. Show me some love and subscribe to my channel. If you're in need of help in terms of your credit, if you got some bad items, some derogatory items, some collection accounts, some medical bills, late payments, we can definitely help you at GreenScale Credit. There is a link down in the description. If you would like to schedule a free consultation, we would certainly love to help you either via my assistant or myself. We'll give you a call and we'll get you set up. But otherwise, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your morning, afternoon, or evening. Thanks for watching.